Your Haier portable air conditioner isn't heating properly, start with these essential troubleshooting steps. These simple checks solve most heating issues. First, verify your unit is set to heat mode. The temperature setting must be higher than the current room temperature to activate heating. This is the most common oversight. Next, check all power connections. Ensure the unit is properly plugged into a working outlet. Check if the circuit breaker has tripped. This is a common cause of power issues. If your unit has a GFCI plug, try resetting it. Press the reset button firmly. GFCI outlets can trip and prevent power flow, especially in areas with moisture. Clean air filters are crucial for proper heating. A clogged filter restricts airflow and severely impacts performance. Check and clean your filter regularly, ideally weekly during heavy use. Ensure the exhaust hose is properly installed without kinks or blockages. Heat pump models require this hose for proper operation. Check that it's securely connected and the path is clear. Remember, some Haier models use electric heating elements, while others use heat pump technology. Heat pump models reverse the refrigerant flow and require the exhaust hose for proper operation. If these initial checks don't resolve your heating issue, the problem may involve internal components like fuses, capacitors, or the heating element itself. These require more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your Haier portable air conditioner heating problems, it's time for advanced diagnostics. We'll examine key components and identify when professional help is needed. If your unit won't power on at all, the first component to check is the fuse on the control board. A blown fuse typically indicates a short circuit in the system. If the compressor isn't starting, a faulty run capacitor is often the culprit. The capacitor provides the electrical boost needed to start the compressor motor. Dirty condenser coils significantly reduce heating efficiency. Regular cleaning of both the filter and coils is essential for optimal performance. Some issues require professional expertise. Refrigerant leaks, compressor problems, and complex electrical issues should only be handled by qualified technicians. Remember, advanced troubleshooting requires caution and proper knowledge. When in doubt, prioritize safety and contact qualified professionals. Regular maintenance prevents most issues and extends your unit's lifespan.